In this video, you will learn how to recover deleted Telegram messages. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so you don't have any kind of mistake when you trying it for yourself. So, first of all, you have to open your Google. Now, what you search here, you have to search Telegram support here, and now you have to open the first link. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to describe your problem. What is your problem is, let's say my problem is this, and now you have to add your email and your phone number. After that you have to click on submit. Now you will have an interface like this. As you can see, our problem was reported and your problem will be solved in 24 hours, and your chat, photos or videos will be recovered in 24 hours. And that's how you can recover your Telegram deleted messages. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.